How's it, aloha gang? We are back at City Mill and we are celebrating a major milestone. City Mill just turned 123 years old and they're doing that through the Mahalo Plenty Customer Appreciation Event. So you guys are highlighting all kind of good goodies, yeah? Can you walk us through what we got?
Sure, we got all kinds of stuff that growing up in Hawaii, you know you use. We have our little table here. How many times you had to sit at the table when you're a little kid? Hoi hoi is a staple for roaches. They have a rat trap. And we also got this new one here that's a hoi hoi trap, a roach for the car. It's smaller and actually it's resistant to high heat.
I know like 15 people who need that right now.
Yeah. King mosquito coils. Use it all the time outside. That's a must-have. Playmate, coolers. You need a cooler. You got to go down to the beach, camping.
Perfect size too.
Perfect. Diamond Magic. This has been around forever. It cleans glass, showers, all that stuff. And this is something different. This is a 1-second plunger. You can use it for your showers, your toilet, 12 uses.
And what I like about this, it's like less is more. No need to call a plumber.
Yeah. Everybody knows this one, right? This is the mango picker. It actually adjusts so you can go tall or short. And this is mango season.
That's right.
You don't want all those mangoes to go to waste.
I gotta ask you this, when it comes to City Mill, it's 123, how did you guys select these specific items?
Well, we all live here, right? We all live and breathe in Hawaii and we've grown up here. So we really know and understand what our customers could use, and I know we use every day in our lives here.
That's right, and I wanna say a big mahalo personally to City Mill. I grew up in Kainoa, I grew up going to City Mill ever since I was a little kid.
I mean, we really wanna say thank you to all our customers in Hawaii. We really appreciate you.
I love it, and where can people get these? Are these at all the City Mills?
At all the City Mill stores and on citymill.com.
Brought to you by City Mill.